Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my FD browser review. I'm going to show you how you can earn real money just by browsing the web every single day. I hope you enjoy. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so thank you for your support this year. Let's kick this off. This is FD Browser Fast Money Browser on the Google Play Store. 4.6 star rating with over 1 million downloads, everyone. The whole concept of FD Browser is that we use their browser application to generate coins. These coins can then be converted into real life money. It even features an ad blocker and an inbuilt VPN for people that want to use it. Now, I think you do have to pay for that VPN, by the way, but today's video is going to be focusing on generating coins to earn our rewards. Alright, so this is what FD Browser looks like as soon as you open it up. The first thing you want to do is tap these three little buttons at the bottom of the screen. Here is where you should see an option to actually sign in. Without signing in, you're not going to be able to generate any coins, which makes this application pretty much pointless if you want to make money online with it. So I'm assuming you've signed in at this point. At the top of the screen, you can see that we have various different websites we can go and visit. Not only that, you can actually add your own as well. So this is good if you want to add your own custom websites that you visit frequently. You can also see the total number of ads blocked, the time saved, and the data you've saved. I do like when browsers have this feature so you can see what's going on behind the scenes. Simply scrolling up gives you a whole bunch of different inbuilt browser options. As you can see, I can't even explain the different amount of options that the FD browser has inbuilt to it. This is actually really cool. Whether or not you guys are going to use this or not, I'm not too sure, but the option is there, okay? Being a Web3 browser, FD browser actually has crypto giveaways as well, including NFT giveaways. Alright, so let's start generating some coins now so you guys can understand how this earning system works. I'm going to go and type Call of Duty into this search bar because recently I've been playing the Call of Duty game. So here's where you choose the default search engine that FD browser uses. While you have Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo, obviously I'm going to choose the FullDive browser search engine so then I earn coins. So now I can actually start to search the web just like I would if I was using Google. We can search for all websites, only images, videos, feeds, and even folders. I've just typed in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 best classes, and as you can see here, it literally brings up the recommended just like it would on a Google search, so you can see how well this actually works. Alright, so I've just activated my first search, and now I just simply browse through and select the page that I want to pick. You'll notice here that there are advertisements though, and this is how FD Browser makes money. So I'll tap on this one here, Modern Warfare 2 M4 loadout best attachments and class setup. Okay, so here we are. Now I'm going to read through this article quickly. Usually on FD Browser, you don't want to rush through the websites, by the way. They will detect if you're just spamming and not really reading the articles or the web page that you're on. So my advice would be use this platform when you want to read up on a whole bunch of different websites or even news articles. So for this example, we're now finished reading the website. I'm now back on the FD Browser homepage, and you can see here that we've blocked 16 ads, saved 4 seconds, and saved data as well. Now tapping on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, you can see here that I have 560 coins. Below you can also find multiple other options including private browsing as well. Now you can even go more in depth into the coin system here. You can see your overall coins, the redeem button, and you have the feature to actually enable coin generation, where it states that the balance is updated every 24 hours. You have your ad block setting and your earning history. You then have something called quests, and here's where you can redeem multiple different quests for the coins. So whether that be join their social media or do a specific task, FD Browser will give you coins for completing that task. Let me show you what you can actually cash out your coins for now. This is the redeem page of FD Browser. You can donate your coins to feed children, plant trees, save animals. You can donate to the Red Cross, UNICEF, World Health Organization, World Vision, and here's the real life money aspect of gift cards in Amazon or crypto in Binance. For Amazon, $5 worth of real currency equals 49,000 of the coins. For Binance, you need $11 minimum and 200,000 of the in-game coins. So now at least you know the options that FD Browser has. I'm going to go search the web for a few hours and I'll be back with my progression update. Okay, because it takes a few hours for the balance to update, it is now actually the next day, everyone. You can see here that I've blocked 1.2 thousand ads, I've saved 5 minutes of my time, and I've saved 1.7 megabytes of data. Now, how about the coins I've generated and how long it actually has taken me? So, I used FD Browser for a total of about 3 hours over the span of 2 days, and I generated about 1,000 of the coins. Something that I do want to make clear here, by the way, it wasn't just pure 3 hours of screen time though. I have to admit, you probably have to take about 20 to 30 minutes off that because I was doing other things at the time. So roughly about 2 hours and a half worth of screen time generated me these rewards here, which is roughly 1,000 of the coins. So you might think that's bad or you might think that's good. Just remember everyone, if I want Amazon currency or Binance currency, I need nearly 50,000 of the coins for $5 worth of Amazon currency, or 200,000 of the coins for $11 worth of Binance currency, aka cryptocurrency. For me, FD Browser is something that you would use passively instead of just expecting to get paid straight away. Let me give you an example of how you can generate a whole bunch of coins on FD Browser in a short amount of time. So if you go to the search menu, I'd recommend that you search up a lot of things on FD Browser that you feel like are going to have multiple pages, or if you want to read the news. See, I just typed in Yahoo Finance. Now I'm going to go on the Yahoo Finance website. Every single article or page on this website should technically be able to generate me these coins the more I cycle through them. If I tap on this article here called Australian Minister raises hope for trade thaw with China, technically any page I go through from this article will still generate me coins. So you can see here on this article there are other actual options available as well. So tapping on the chatbots that are coming for Google, I'm now generating coins for even entering this article as well. And you can just simply keep on going and you can apply this measure to any other website you're viewing. Now, when it comes to my opinion, if I think that the coins generated are actually worth your time or not, the only thing I can say, everyone, is that personally, within about 2.5 hours of using the FD Browser and to only generate roughly 1,000 coins, even for me, that's very low. But that doesn't make it a bad application by any means. I just don't really like that it has such a high minimum cash out, so you guys are going to be grinding for quite a long time, unless you use FD Browser every single day for multiple hours a day. Now, if it comes to whether it's legit or not, I'm happy to say, everyone, that I did previously test a cash out in the past, and FD Browser paid me without any problems whatsoever, and I have no reason to doubt that it's not going to pay me again. That's why I'm recommending it on today's video. Now, is it for everyone though? That's a whole nother question, and that's completely up to you, because I personally believe more than likely, no, it's not for everyone, but it's for people that want to generate a little bit of income while searching the web anyway, and while also having advertisements blocked at the same time. The last time I cashed out on FullDive Browser, they paid me out instantly, by the way. So please remember to check out my website and my YouTube channel for hundreds of legitimate money making methods. Be sure to also show support. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, so thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you all tomorrow.